Welcome to our YouTube video on the importance of a battery charger for vehicle owners. Today, we're diving into why having a reliable battery charger is crucial for every car owner. From prolonging your battery's lifespan to being prepared for emergencies, we'll cover all the reasons why investing in a good charger is a smart move. Stay tuned to learn how a simple tool can save you time, money, and hassle in the long run. Let's delve into the video to explore how this device works. Subscribing to my channel would be greatly appreciated and encouraging. Stay with SetNFix. Discover the ultimate solution for effortless and efficient car battery charging with our full automatic car battery charger. This charger ensures efficient and hassle-free charging, freeing you from the manual process. Equipped with a digital LCD display, it provides real-time charging status and information, enhancing the user experience. With a 2A fast charging capability, this charger reduces charging time and saves you valuable time. The 3 stages Lead Acid AGM gel battery charging process ensures optimal charging, extending the lifespan of your battery. Designed for Lead Acid AGM gel batteries, it offers high compatibility and broad application scope. Originating from mainland China, this charger promises high quality and reliability. It features 100% brand new and high-quality construction. The LCD digital display shows voltage, current, temperature, and battery capacity in real time for convenient monitoring. It intelligently adjusts current and voltage, automatically stopping input current after full charge. The 3 stages charging process includes constant current charging, constant voltage charging, and floating charge for optimal performance. The charger includes a pure copper transformer for stable output, high conversion rate, energy savings, and large capacity. It also features overcharge protection, short circuit protection, and reverse connection protection for added safety. The shell is made of ABS flame retardant material, providing insulation, flame retardancy, and high temperature resistance. Suitable for 12V, 4Ah to 20Ah lead acid, AGM, or GL batteries, it's universal for most car and motorcycle batteries. Before connecting the power, I will connect the charger with 12-volt battery. You can see the battery voltage is 11.6 volts, which is in the level of recharging. Now, I will give the power to the battery charger. You can see once the power is given, the display shows the battery level as 20% and now the battery is being charged 40% charging level. While time being, you can see the charging level and the voltage are being gently increased. Once the level of the battery reached to 100%, the charging will automatically be cut off. Since this is a budget charging unit, you can purchase it and keep it with your vehicle. I hope this video will help you to get some idea about this charging unit. Before ending the video, do not forget to like, share and subscribe my channel. I will see you with another video. Be innovative. Stay with SetNFix.